These days, there's just surprises and horrible things happening every week. We wanted to come on here and talk about what we've been hearing regarding arrests by ICE in immigration court and also apparently at USCIS. My name is Claire Dute. I'm an immigration attorney with McKenty Law Group. What's been happening for the last couple of weeks, at least, is people are showing up to their master calendar hearing, and rightfully so, because they are supposed to go to their hearing. And if they do not go, the immigration judge will usually and typically issue an order of removal on their case. This is really hard to fight. You can file a motion to reopen, but you need to have a really good reason. Usually can be detrimental to your immigration case if you obtain one of those. So many people know that if they have a master calendar hearing, they should show up and they need to go in front of the judge and present their case, ask for a continuance, or anything that they think, the judge should hear. People have been showing up to immigration court, going to the master calendar hearing, and surprisingly, the ICE counsel on the cases have been moving for motions to dismiss their removal proceedings. This is usually good news. If the government is moving to get rid of a removal proceeding from someone, it's not something that we would typically fight. It's usually something that we want, because we're able to then file for relief through other agencies in a less adversarial environment. And sometimes if somebody does not have a really great case, it allows them to remain, to seek out other options in a less scary environment. Typically, this is really not something that we do not like. However, what's been happening is these motions are being filed in court, in open court, with the judge there, of course, and the respondent there. And then what happens is the judge is granting these motions. Surprisingly, of course, the respondent will not oppose that because it is usually beneficial. And the respondents think that magically their proceedings have disappeared and they got out of jail free card magically.